So I want to talk about something many patients are asking about: pig kidney transplants. What's the latest news? First, let's honor the full story and not just the headlines. Before the news stories, before Tawana Louie, before Tim Andrews, there were others. Several critically ill patients received pig kidneys in clinical trials and compassionate cases. Some were brain-dead organ donors who were being studied for hours to days after the transplant. Others were living patients, real people who hoped this might be their second chance. But in nearly all of these cases, the transplants failed and many passed away. Now, this isn't said enough. Their lives really matter. Their courage moves science forward, and as healthcare providers, we honor them. Then came Tawana Louie, a name many of us will never forget. On November 25th, 2024, Tawana became one of the first living people to receive a genetically modified pig kidney. Her pig kidney had 10 pig genes removed and 1 human gene added to help her body accept it so it wouldn't reject it. She made it 130 days longer than many people expected. But on April 4th, 2025, her body began rejecting the kidney and she had to return to dialysis. Still, Tawana gave the world real data, not lab theory, and she showed us what works and what doesn't work in an actual patient. Now, another breakthrough. Tim Andrews, 66 years old from New Hampshire, became the next living person to receive a genetically modified pig kidney on January 25th, 2025 at Massachusetts General Hospital. But this transplant was a little different. Tim Andrews' pig kidney had 69 gene edits, far more than Tawana's. These changes removed more rejection triggering genes, it added human immune system genes, and it shut down some pig viruses that could actually harm humans. As of now, Tim is recovering and he's no longer on dialysis.
Everything's clear. I feel like I'm 40 years old. I can feel the energy surging in me. I'm like, this is amazing.
We're all watching you, Tim. Now, neither Tawana nor Tim got their transplants through a typical clinical trial. They were approved through something called the FDA's Compassionate Use Program, also known as the Expanded Access Program. This program allows seriously ill patients to receive experimental treatments when no other options are available, like a pig kidney, when human ones just aren't available. Most of these pig kidneys come from a biotech company called eGenesis based in Massachusetts. But another major player, United Therapeutics, is making headlines too. So they're reportedly building a facility in Houston, Texas to raise pigs specifically for organ transplants, almost like a farm, but for genetically modified organs. These aren't just pigs, they're genetically engineered to be immune compatible with humans. So the reason that we're doing this in the first place, that we're doing xenotransplantation, is because almost 100,000 people need kidneys in America or on dialysis in America, and there's a shortage of people who are actual organ donors. So this is a solution because people just aren't donating organs, unfortunately. Now, what does this mean for dialysis patients? It means we're not there yet. Pig kidney transplants are still experimental, not permanent replacements, but we're getting closer. And every person who said yes to this procedure, including those who didn't survive, helped push us forward. So stay informed, stay hopeful, but stay grounded. And I'll keep bringing you updates, not just the headlines, but the real talk that you guys deserve. Take care.